Welcome to English through Book Ideas. Learn English, grow your mind.
Hey everyone, welcome back to English through Book Ideas. Today we're learning how to describe someone's personality in a natural way.
That's right. And today's key sentence is, she's pretty smart.
Wait, Juliet, does pretty smart mean she is beautiful and smart?
Good question, David. In this sentence, pretty does not mean beautiful. It means quite or fairly.
So she's pretty smart means she is quite smart.
Exactly. We use pretty before adjectives to make our descriptions sound natural and conversational.
Today you will learn how to describe people's personalities using words like friendly, shy, serious, funny, confident, calm, creative, and more.
And you'll also learn how to compare two people's personalities in simple English.
Let's begin with a short conversation.
David, do you know my new coworker, Anna?
Yes, I met her yesterday. She's pretty smart.
She is. She's also very patient and friendly.
I noticed that. She explained everything calmly.
What about Tom? Did you meet him too?
Yes, Tom is smart too, but he's more serious than Anna.
That's true. Anna is more friendly, but Tom is more focused.
And Mark?
Mark is funny and creative, but he's a little forgetful.
So Anna is patient, Tom is serious, and Mark is funny but forgetful.
Exactly. Great personality descriptions.
Let's break down the sentence, she's pretty smart.
She's means she is.
Pretty means quite or fairly.
And smart means intelligent or quick to understand things.
So, she's pretty smart means she is quite intelligent.
You can use this pattern with many personality adjectives.
For example, he's pretty friendly.
She's pretty quiet.
My teacher is pretty strict.
My cousin is pretty funny.
This sounds more natural than always saying very.
Yes, English speakers often say pretty good, pretty nice, pretty funny, or pretty smart.
Now let's learn today's vocabulary.
Patient. A patient person can wait calmly and doesn't get angry easily.
Example, my mother is very patient.
Friendly. A friendly person is kind and easy to talk to.
Example, our new neighbor is pretty friendly.
Serious. A serious person doesn't joke much and focuses on important things.
Example, my boss is serious at work.
Shy. A shy person feels nervous or quiet around other people.
Example, my little sister is shy with new people.
Quiet. A quiet person doesn't talk a lot.
Example, he is quiet, but he is very smart.
Smart. A smart person learns quickly and understands things well.
Example, she's pretty smart.
Funny. A funny person makes people laugh.
Example, my uncle is really funny.
Confident. A confident person believes in themselves.
Example, Julia is confident when she speaks English.
Calm. A calm person stays relaxed and doesn't panic.
Example, David is calm during problems.
Creative. A creative person has new and interesting ideas.
Example, my friend is creative. She designs beautiful pictures.
Forgetful. A forgetful person often forgets things.
Example, I'm a little forgetful. I always lose my keys.
Generous. A generous person likes to give and help others.
Example, my grandparents are generous.
Strict. A strict person has many rules and expects people to follow them.
Example, my teacher is strict but kind. Now let's compare personalities. We can say, Anna is more patient than Tom.
Or Tom is more serious than Anna.
Mark is funnier than Tom.
Be careful. For many short adjectives, we add er. Funny becomes funnier.
But for longer adjectives, we usually use more.
For example, more patient, more creative, more confident, and more generous.
Let's practice with some examples.
My sister is more confident than me.
My brother is quieter than my cousin.
My aunt is more generous than my uncle.
My teacher is stricter than our old teacher.
My friend is more creative than I am.
Great. Now let's talk about a common mistake.
Many learners say, she is very smart than him.
That is not correct. When comparing two people, don't use very.
Say, she is smarter than him.
Or, she is more confident than him.
Another common mistake is using pretty with nouns.
For example, don't say, she's pretty a smart person.
Say, she's a pretty smart person.
Or simply, she's pretty smart.
Let's do a mini practice challenge.
I will say a person. You describe that person with one personality word.
Number 1, your best friend.
You can say, my best friend is pretty funny.
Number 2, your teacher.
You can say, my teacher is strict but patient.
Number 3, your mother or father.
You can say, my mother is calm and generous.
Number 4, you.
You can say, I'm quiet but creative.
Now compare two people.
Say, my sister is more confident than me.
Or, my brother is funnier than my cousin.
Now, pause the video and make 3 sentences.
Sentence 1, describe someone in your family.
Sentence 2, describe your friend.
Sentence 3, compare two people.
Let's review.
Today's key sentence is, she's pretty smart.
Remember, pretty can mean quite or fairly.
Use it before an adjective. Pretty smart, pretty funny, pretty quiet, pretty friendly.
To compare personalities, use adjective plus er plus than, or use more plus adjective plus than.
For example, she is smarter than me.
Or, he is more patient than his brother.
Excellent work today.
If you want to speak English more naturally, practice describing people around you every day.
Write one sentence in the comments. My friend is pretty...
And complete the sentence with one personality word.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow English Through Book Ideas for more simple English lessons.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next lesson.